Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Techno. In this video we'll see how to change your WhatsApp and IMO ringtone. So before that we'll go to YouTube, search Techno. I searched, you can see my first channel name, so Techno. You can see I have already subscribed. Now come to the video, we'll go to Play Store. In this you are required to search APK editor. First APK editor, I have already installed it and downloaded, so you can see the name APK editor and icon. So we'll open this app. Just then we'll select APK from app. Slide simple edit, again slide audio. You can see so I have changed the ringtone, and then you have to save. You can see also like for select APK from app, then we'll choose IMO, simple edit, slide again audio. So we'll change this by this and save it. You can see